So guys, what you can see here is CADJPY. To those of you that have not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. So let's see what price will actually play out once the market opens on Monday on CADJPY. So all we just have to do is trade with what we see and not what we think. That is one of the rules of trading. What exactly you are seeing is exactly what you would want to trade. So they have been a rejection at this level. So basically, all we want to do is continue with that rejection. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame, which is more visible. At first, a price came to the same level. Then there was a rejection, a little bit of a rejection downward, right? No doubt that price rejected. Then price came to this same level again. Then we had a rejection, that price dropped. Same thing with this level. Price came to this same level. We had a rejection that dropped. Now price is at this level. So guys, watch out for a rejection on Monday. So I believe CAD to JPY will definitely drop. So let's see if we can drop to a level of 97.110. So at least that should be giving us about 75 pips, right? So if you can grab 75 pips in a day, it is not bad. So like I said, I'll say it again, a level of 97.110. So that is the level we'll be watching out for. So that is why this analysis is not really 100% correct. So that is why I set up a Patreon channel where I tend to put high probability trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning such trade. That is exactly what I'll be putting out in that Patreon channel. So if you're interested, I'll be putting a link below. So make sure you actually check it out. If at the end of the month you actually don't get the value that I say that I'm going to give you, it is very, very simple. All you just have to do is cancel your subscription, right? You can cancel your subscription if at the end of the month you actually don't get the value that I said I will give. So you can cancel your subscription. So I will be putting the link below. So with just $20, you can actually become one of my Patreon subscribers and you'll be able to get access to some of my trade. Basically, I've posted 2 trade we'll be looking out for tomorrow. So one of those trade, I'm going to make one of those trade that I publish for my Patreon subscribers. I'll make one of those trade public. So all you just have to do is go watch one of those trades. So if in case you're interested in more, you just become one of my Patreon subscribers.